How you doing? This is Teresa from the White Cat channel. I am going to be using Glucomannan Powder from Now Brands Foods. Oh, Now Brands, excuse me. To make these. So the recipe goes, I have 1 cup of water, cool water, just pour it in your bowl. And then in another bowl, mix your dry ingredients, which are 1 tablespoon plus 2 teaspoons of the Now Brands Glucomannan Powder. And then 1/4 teaspoons of pickling lime. And then take those, mix them up really good. You might find a little bit of lumps from the pickling lime. Just make sure they're all out of there. And then just add it to the water and start whisking. Okay, let's go for the pasta press. This is a pretty gentle. Okay, and they're coming out nice. Alright, over to the water. Very pretty. Yeah, easy to extrude as well. Just cut them off. They're not sticking together, so that's a very good sign. They're not disintegrating. See them in there? Yeah, so I'm going to boil them for about 5 to 10 minutes and then we will come back and look at them and see how they did. Okay, while those are boiling, I just wanted to stop and mention that this is a good time to turn on some really hot water in your faucet and spray it into the bowl and wherever you put your utensils here. This is the best way to ensure that you don't have a sticky mess the next morning, because when glucomannan dries out, it's like a paste or any kind of starch. When it gets dry, it's kind of hard to put the water back in it and get it to come off easy. But this way, you're sure to have all those bits and pieces off of your utensils, or at least easy to get off. That's how to clean it up really easy. And what I have is this handy strainer. When it comes time to dump the water out, just dump it through here so it doesn't go down your drain, because you really don't want that stuff down your drain. And then just put it in the trash. You'll save yourself some headaches down the road. So. Alright, I just got done boiling the Shirataki noodles made with Now brand Glucomannan Powder. So if that's the only thing you combine, you could use this recipe. I went ahead and used my master recipe, again, which is 1 cup cool water, 1 tablespoon plus 2 teaspoons of the Glucomannan powder, and 1/4 teaspoon pickling lime. The only thing you'll find different about using this brand is in the mixing time, the whisking time. So after you have everything inside the water, you're gonna probably end up whisking like 2 minutes before it starts to gel properly, and that's totally fine. It does the job. So, and I'm going to do the spoon test here. They don't have any problems, you know, hanging together, so that's, you know, definitely the biggest tester. And then I also, when you pull them apart, they got some good spring to them before they tear apart. See, they're nice and bouncy. I don't know if you can see that. The color's great. Again, there's no taste, you know, like you'd find in some store-bought ones, so this is definitely the way to go. In a future video, I think I'm going to do some price comparisons between the homemade Shirataki noodles, you know, that you just use powder and make yourself at home, versus the things you buy in the store. So you can look for that video eventually. But I wanted to get this one out because someone asked me about the Now brand. And here's your recipe. Enjoy. And again, always treat it like you're treating any other fiber addition to your diet. Make sure you get enough water. And I will see you guys later. Share, like, subscribe, and have a blessed day. Bye.